Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a vlog where you guys spend the day with me as a small business owner. So I have an online shoe store. We're on Instagram. We're receiving new arrivals today, which I kind of wasn't expecting because they usually call a few days beforehand, and they didn't this time. They just called me today. On one side, it's the best timing because I am starting my new job next week, and so I won't have that much spare time. So it's for the best that it arrived before then, but I'm also getting out of a really bad cold. But I'm feeling much better today. I've just been studying on the couch there. I could be doing that until everything gets here, and I will catch up with you guys then. I'm already halfway through my question bank. It's been around 2 hours, give or take. I'm taking a break to have lunch. I already know I'm going to be super distracted when the arrivals get in, so I'm just going to continue that later in the afternoon and have lunch for now. I was taking inventory of everything that I had. I put basically everything on sale. Now that I know what I have left from previous drops, I'm going to put everything away to make space for the new arrivals and to take photos, which I usually take the photos right here on this marble table. So I need to organize the space and put everything away. So let's do that right now. Okay, now that everything is picked up, I'm just going to keep myself busy until the new things arrive. Probably just gonna change as well because it's getting a little bit hot even though I have the AC on. Hey guys, it's been a few hours. It's now like 6 p.m. So as you guys can see, I'm on my way out to run a couple of errands. I need to buy a new ring light. I need to pick up an order. I also need to get the bags for my orders for tomorrow. So the merch did not get here today. They called and said that they're coming tomorrow morning. I'm wearing this dress, which honestly is the comfiest thing ever, and I really did not want to think of an outfit today. So with all that being said, let's head out. We're on our way to the mall, and casually the place where we're getting the ring light is in front of the thrift store that I always go to. It's the same mall, but I looked the place up online and it says that they close at 6 p.m. I don't know why I didn't look earlier. Worst case, we will just hop into the thrift store and come to get the ring light tomorrow, but I really do hope that it's open because I actually do need it. Okay, I can see it from here and it's actually open. And now the thrift store. Look at this H&M top. It's so cute. Look at this. Look at the sleeves. That's cool. I did ask the worker and she said that they didn't put anything new today. We're just looking around because we're already here. By the way, I got this like 2 weeks ago, I think, and I've worn the heck out of these pretty much. Every other day I'm wearing these shoes. I'm at the shoe section and I think I already saw everything that they have here. Guys, look at these Sam Edelman animal print flats. They're not in my size. These Sam Edelman shoes that I find at the thrift store are mostly always 7.5 for some reason. Look how cute. Ooh, I love the little studs that it has in the corners. Just found some Zara velvet loafers. Again, these are not in my size. I showed you guys this the other day because I wasn't filming, but I saw this really cute Christmas little long sleeve. It's such a cute little thing. Like, it says so much to do, so few else to do it, and then these presents are so cute. Brand that has been highly on my wish list for finding at the thrift is a piece by Aritzia, especially one of their pants I would love to try out. They're so expensive, so I would love to find that at the thrift store. The lady just told me that they just put out all of these work pants, this fabric pants. Eso se parece a los Alara. Ah, no, son a New Day. I saw this white leather pants and I thought that they were Aritzia because I've seen ones that they have very similar to this, but they're actually by Wild Fable, $20. I found the scrub bottoms for almost $10 by Jockey. Kind of expensive, especially because they don't have the matching top. Look at this dress by J. Crew. Cute. This one is so pretty. It's by Express. Does look tiny. It's an extra small. And this is really similar to the one that I got from that other thrift store in my last video. And I love these blue florals on this dress. It's so cute. This is such a nice silky fabric. Ooh, that's so cute. And then look at this frilly black one. Cute. And more Shein. This beautiful lace cream Zara dress. It's a full backless, which is so cute. These were literally the pants that I used to wear for school, the Old Navy pixie pants, and they're for $1.70. If I were still in school, I would get these. Tomorrow I'm going to show you more behind the scenes of taking the photos and things like that. I was just packing up a few orders before going to bed. Merchandise arrived very late, like at 9:30 p.m. I was just posting those things, received a few orders, packed those up. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning when I'm taking more photos. Hey guys, it is the next day. If you can tell, I'm in such a good mood today because I feel so much better. I feel restored. I'm about to show you the last part, which is how I take my photos. This ring light, as you guys saw yesterday, hopefully this one works because the last ring light that I bought stopped working like after 3 days and it didn't have a warranty. This one has 15 days of warranty. It's been so nice to have a ring light back. Just wanted to show you what the feed is currently looking like. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of missing the Christmas theme with the Christmas tree on the background. I still really like how it is turning out. So this is what it looks like. very minimal, so it's very easy. I'm just gonna show you how I set up the shoes. There is a big mess in the living room right now because obviously I have been organizing everything, deciding what to upload first and things like that. So I'm just gonna show you how I take my photos, which is very easy, and then we're gonna end the video there. But let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this, if you want to see more vlogs. Just yesterday I decided to do this video, even though I did give you guys a few options for my next videos, which I'm definitely gonna film, but I didn't know that I was receiving the new arrivals yesterday, so that's why this video came up kind of at the last minute. But anyway, let's show you guys how I take the photos. So hopefully you guys can see from there. It's a little bit difficult to show you because the light is coming off of that window. Just going to clear this area so that I can have the space in the table. I will just put the ring light right here, set the shoes up in this little corner of the table. I'll just take the photo in portrait mode. Wait, I need to move this. A couple of different photos from different sides. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm really happy that I have this ring light for my videos as well. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you want to see more vlogs. You guys can vote for my next videos over in my community post where I ask you guys all the time what you want to see. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys very soon for my next video. Bye guys!